Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. You can watch how to make stuffed cabbage with meat in the most delicious way, friends. Beef with bones, soaked in ice cold water for 6 hours. Boiling water is added on it. These procedures are 1 day before cooking. The pot is completely filled with water and boiled. After boiling, turn the fire to the lowest level. It will be low fire so that it will not boil, and it will be cooked in this way for 15 hours. 15 hours later. Now the fire is not turned off, but it burns a little. I hope I was able to explain. As you can see, the meat is easily separated from the bones, very softly cooked. Put the meat on the tray. Wait for the meat to cool a bit. One kilogram of rice. Add 1 kilogram of bulgur into a large bowl. Add cold water, wait 40 minutes. Prepare the meats. Prepare boneless meats. This meal will be prepared for 40 people. You can prepare for 10 people by dividing the ingredients into 4. Chop the meat a little with a knife, it will not be too fine. We are really behind in YouTube videos, and I ask you to give a like and comment to this recipe, and if you want to donate, you can leave a tip using the super thank you feature. Support me. Prepare 10 onions and garlic. Mix 1 turn in the mixer, it will not be too thin. Add rice and bulgur without water. Add up to 3 kilograms of boiled chopped meat. Add chopped onion and garlic. Add tomatoes without water, 6 large tomatoes are enough. Add 600 grams of boiled chickpeas. 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste. 250 grams of sunflower oil. 1 tablespoon of hot pepper paste. 2 spoons of sugar. Black pepper. Coriander. 2 spoons of salt, 60 grams. 2 tablespoons of dried mint. Chili pepper. Cumin. Powdered ginger. 1 tablespoon of grape vinegar. Half a glass of lemon juice. Mix the ingredients well. There is a total of 8.5 kilograms of ingredients here, 40 portions will be made. It is possible to use 200 grams for 1 portion. After mixing, some more oil and meat were added, it seemed insufficient. Medium soft cabbages. Cut the cabbage roots with a knife. Place the cabbages in the deep pot. Add the pot to the fire. Salt. Boiling water. After 2 minutes, remove the cabbage leaves from the boiling water. If you think the cabbage leaves are overcooked, add cold water. Add leaves that are too small to be used to the bottom of the tray. Using a deep baking tray. This ladle takes 200 grams of material as a tap. Place the cabbage leaf in a bowl. Add the material in. Close the edges. Turn it over. Add to the baking tray. You need to be careful, do not compress the materials too much. Prepare the cabbage leaves with the hard parts at the bottom of the tray, they will cook proportionally. If the leaf is a little big, you can do it with one leaf. A total of 43 stuffed cabbages were prepared. Add pomegranate molasses for sauce. Lemon juice. Granulated sugar. 1 spoon of salt. Ground pepper. Meat water. Meat fat. One tablespoon of tomato paste. Mix it completely. Add whole broth. Add the tray on the stove. Add the mix. The water should be enough not to go over the fillings. When it starts to boil a little, turn the fire to the lowest level and cover the tray. Bake on the stove for 30 minutes. Continue cooking in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. It will fry a little more in the oven. You can adjust the oven temperature to 150 degrees. Cabbage leaf and its ingredients are fully cooked. The broth has a great taste and the harmony of the meat pieces, chickpea grains and spices is wonderful. You can definitely try it. It was a vegetable dish almost like kebab, you can just make it a little smaller. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love, goodbye.